So how to connect any wireless mouse to your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G? If you can use mouse two different way. You can use your USB, and in this case you have to use this kind of converter. You know, Samsung Galaxy A16 comes with Type C. Just insert it and turn on your mouse, and so if this method is not working, then another way, just disconnect it and turn on your Bluetooth. Press and press and hold again. Once light is popping up, now go back to your Bluetooth section. Then you can see the mouse option is available here. Just press on your mouse option, press on pair. Now let's check. Yeah, it's now coming. So now you can use anything with your mouse and control anything with your mouse, your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up, to subscribe. Have a good day.